Welcome to the world where we teach you real English in an easy and fun way. In this video, we are going to discover the proper use of a very common and easy three-letter word, which is one of the first words you learn when studying English, and that word is the. We are going to look at all the situations in which you do use the and the situations where you do not, when you never use the. Some of these might even surprise you, so pay attention, and we'll also discuss all of the exceptions. We'd love to know which of these you didn't know, if any, and share it with us in the comment section down below. Also, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our free videos, and so our channel can continue growing. Your support means the world to us. So let's get started, and let's start talking about pronunciation of the. There are actually two ways to pronounce this word. The first way is the, which is probably what you're more familiar with. We use this one when the word that follows starts with a consonant sound. For example, the dog, the radio. The second way to pronounce it is the. We use the when the word that follows starts with a vowel sound. The egg, the audience. Okay, now that we've got pronunciation sorted, let's do a quick review of why we use the word. Of course, it is the most used word in the English language. That's because it's our definite article. Let's look at a few basic rules for using it. We use it to talk about a noun that has already been discussed and is now known to the reader or listener. Let me give you an example. She bought a new car last week. The car is a bright red convertible. Here, the car in the second sentence indicates the car previously mentioned in the first sentence, so it is now known to the listener, and that's why we use the car. We also use it to refer to a specific noun, often used with a qualifier. For example, we had dinner at the Italian restaurant on Main Street. In this example, the Italian restaurant points to a particular restaurant located on Main Street. Italian is the qualifier. We also use the to identify a unique noun when there is only one. The moon is visible in this night sky. There is only one moon in our sky, as far as we know. It's important to know that we can use the word the with both countable and uncountable nouns. Now, countable nouns are nouns that can physically count, like a pen or books. Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted, like water or sugar. You can't say, I want 2 sugar. You can say 2 teaspoons of sugar. Other examples of uncountable are coffee, soap, money, air. You're probably familiar with these ways of using the, but now let's look at some of the most common uses so that you can truly master this word. Firstly, we use the in superlative phrases. Venice is the most beautiful city in the world, or this is the oldest building in town, or Jim is the tallest in the class. Number 2, we use the with clauses and noun phrases introduced by only. Is he the only person you invited to the party? Or this is the only YouTube channel that can help you learn English. Notice that because only begins with a vowel sound, we say the only. Number 3, you use the with plural country names or that include republic, kingdom, union or state. She's planning a visit to the Netherlands to explore its beautiful cities. The United Kingdom is famous for its rich history and royal heritage. Have you ever been to the Philippines? The beaches there are stunning. Number 4, we use it with ordinal numbers used as qualifiers. She won the first prize in the art competition, or he was the third person to arrive at the party. Number 5 is before compass directions like north, south, east and west, and when we talk about specific areas of a town or a city or a country. I love going on holiday to the north of Italy. Investors are increasingly looking to the Far East for new business opportunities. We also use it to talk about certain geographical features like oceans, seas, rivers, ranges, gulfs, forests. For example, I'd love to see the Great Barrier Reef someday. Number 6. The is used before famous landmarks and works of art to indicate their uniqueness and specificity. The Mona Lisa is one of the most famous works of art in the world. Or, the Great Wall of China stretches across thousands of miles and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The is used with adjectives that specify and refer to particular groups of people. The elderly in our community receive special care at the local senior centre. The indigenous peoples of this region have a rich cultural heritage that spans generations. The is used before family names to refer to the entire family as a group. The Smiths are having a barbecue at their house this weekend, or the Garcias have a family tradition of celebrating birthdays with homemade Mexican cuisine, or the Patels often gather for festive Diwali celebrations. The is used before specific times to indicate a particular point or period during the day. I'll meet you at the restaurant at the usual time, 7 p.m. My mother is celebrating her birthday on the 12th. The is also used to refer to specific time periods or eras. For example, the 1980s were known for their vibrant pop culture. We use the definite article the to refer to general categories. It is used to make general statements about entire categories or classes of things rather than specific or individual instances. For example, the dog is known as man's best friend, referring to dogs in general, or the rose is often associated with love and romance, referring to roses in general, or the elephant is the largest land mammal on earth, referring to elephants in general. An exception to this is man, when it is used to represent humanity as a whole, encompassing all human beings rather than referring to specific individuals. Man has always been curious about the mysteries of the universe. Number 11, the is used before the names of various organizations. My father works for the European Space Agency and he's an astronaut. Or the United Nations play a crucial role in international diplomacy. So now we have looked at all the situations in which you do use the. If you want to know about the situations where you do not use the, when you never use the, you are going to have to wait till the next video. We hope you found this video not only informative but also empowering. Remember, mastering a language is all about practice and perseverance. So keep practicing, keep learning, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow as learners. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it works for you. We're eager to hear your experiences. And remember, as we say in English, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to subscribe for more real English videos. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up. And as always, if you have any questions, topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, effective communication is a journey, not a destination. Stay engaged, keep learning, and we hope to see you soon in our next video.